Hello! Welcome to Life on Pig Row, and today we're planting Jerusalem Artichokes.
Yay!
A Jerusalem artichoke, this is what it looks like. A knobbly bit of goodness. We've never grown this before, but they flower and produce a crop that look like this. You can see already it's starting to sprout. So we're going to follow the instructions on the package and plant them with each other. Come on, Dee, let's get planting.
Yay!
So, to plant Jerusalem artichokes, they must be 30 centimetres apart. And what we do is then we bury them. So all I'm doing, put them in the ground, dig down, and in the hole a bit deeper. So in they go like that, and then we'll cover them over. Go on, Dee, you plant that one over there. You want to dig a hole here? Nice and deep.
I think that's deep enough.
I'd go a little bit deeper than that because they're big, aren't they?
Okay then. There we go.
In it goes.
Nicely popped in the hole.
Nicely popped in the hole, thank you very much.
Oh, digging a hole. Hole. Digging a very, 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 very deep hole.
So, Dee, these are known as Jerusalem artichokes, and you know what their nickname is?
What?
Fartichokes. Because they give you wind.
Digging a hole, digging a hole, digging a very, very, very big hole.
So why is it that deep, do you think?
To keep out all the frost.
So now we're going to rake the artichokes in, and that's the great thing about raised beds, because you don't need to step on them. Take it away, Dee, and cover them all over.
Night, night.
So that's the soil completely raked over flat, and if you look down here, there's the label telling us what they are. So they're Jerusalem artichokes. Dee and Mummy, what's Jerusalem artichokes' nickname?
Artichokes. Goodbye now from Life on Pig Row.
And if you like what we do, don't forget to
Like and subscribe.